Doesn't knee pain stink? It literally stops you in your tracks, all pun intended. Or are you sitting on the couch while your friends and family are moving on and you would like to go, but it hurts too bad? Well, most likely I can help. I developed a unique knee pain protocol here at Life Wellness Center. My name is Dr. Mark Bryngelson. I've been a structural corrective specialist for over 23 years. I'm a chiropractor. I'm certified in functional medicine and functional neurology, and I want to help you. But are you doing some of these common things to help your knee right now, such as drugs or physical therapy, maybe braces or injections? How are those working for you? Have you even gone so far as a total knee replacement or partial knee replacement? Those things can be costly, and surgery rehab can be very significant. There's a little known problem called particle disease also with replacements. Particles can get throughout the body from when they start to break down. It can affect your immune system, affect your nervous system and brain, and that can be quite detrimental to your health. Now, when you come in to see me, we're going to do an in-depth exam. I want to talk to you and find out about your goals and concerns about your problem. We're going to test the muscles that help support the knee. We're going to check for strength. We want to help those. We're going to examine your framework, your way your body is held up, your posture, because we want to correct that to get the pressure off that knee, because that could be a cause. We want to test the nerves and look at the nerves. They control the pain signals coming from your knee. Also, we can look for infection in the knee using bioresonance testing. Now, if I accept you for care, we're going to do some amazing techniques and technologies to help you get well. One of my favorites is MLS, cold laser therapy. The wonderful thing about that is no side effects. It's all positive. And the best thing it does is it's a biostimulator. It helps your tissues heal. And I'm going to show you a gross picture right now of what I'm talking about. This is a picture of a diabetic ulcer that was not healing for over 15 months. Used the laser on it 5 times, and within a couple weeks the tissue had enough energy to heal. And we're not going to give you a new knee that way, but we can sure help the tissue be stronger and improve greatly. Also, we want to help the framework of the body, get balance back in the body, correct your posture. That's going to correct the stresses on the knee using advanced biostructural correction. Here's an example of what I'm talking about. If the shoulders are out of balance, or the hips are out of balance, your head's sitting forwards, those are signs that your structure, your body is out of balance, and it can cause pressure on the knee, feet, hips, shoulder, all kinds of stuff. But that's important. You want to fix the cause of the problem. That's what we're here to do. Now, if we find some weak muscles, we want to regain their strength. A lot of times there's a disconnect between the brain and that muscle. So we can use an adhesion release stimulator to help awaken that pathway. The great thing about the ARS, it also helps to break down scar tissue. What it does is it harmonically sends a waveform through that tissue to help, and it resonates at that right frequency scar tissue is at, and it helps to break that up. And that is very beneficial to the stiffness of that knee. Also, when the nerve is not working right, it kind of develops a memory or a pattern of pain. In a normal waveform of a nerve should look like just like a wave on an ocean. But in a bad nerve or a stressed out nerve, it starts getting these like almost squiggly lines in it as you test it. But the special nerve regenerative therapy helps to offset that, almost a mirror stimulus of what the nerve is doing. And we can cause that nerve to start working better again, and that helps control the pain to your knee, so you can start moving again. Also, I'm very concerned about how's the tissue going to heal. It needs good nutrition. We use clinical grade nutrition here, and I give very specific recommendations to help you get your life back. So please give me a call here at 720-6000 here at the Life Wellness Center. You can check me out at relieffrompain.com. Please share this with your friends. Also give us a like on Facebook. I want to help as many people as I can. I'm a one-man band, so please call me as soon as you can. I can only accept so many patients at a time. And thank you very much for listening. I'm looking forward to helping you. Thank you very much.